Ciao amici, and welcome to the big, beautiful Bella Sanlucci Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Richie. We're here to cook our last honorable mention recipe of the recipe contest from last year. As far as this year goes, get your recipes in now. The deadline is July 1st. It's a beautiful, fine summer day, and we're gonna cook Mary Edwards scallops atop sun-dried tomato hummus with a corn relish. So welcome to summer, and the corn and the sun-dried tomatoes being a beautiful combination. Let's get cooking. We're going to go to our food processor and get all of our ingredients in to make a puree that will become our hummus. Some people like to use tahini. Ms. Edwards has called for sesame seeds instead of the tahini. But here's the garlic, lemon, the sun-dried tomatoes, of course, and sun-dried tomato oil for an Italian hummus. And we're just gonna go on. A little salt, a little pepper, and we have our hummus done. Let's move on to phase two. Allora, phase two, here we're gonna make our corn relish. It's the perfect time of year for corn. Welcome to late June, and it's actually just summer. And corn is a symbol of summer. And this is a wonderfully colorful and crunchy element of the dish with the orange bell pepper, some freshly chopped parsley, lemon zest, adds a nice kick, green onions, of course, sun-dried tomatoes, and when you send in your recipes, please make sun-dried tomatoes an essential part, and some celery for more crunch. A pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. And we're going to add some lemon juice. Fresh, clean, delicious corn relish, lots of color. Okay, that's phase two. Now let's move on to sauteing the scallops. This is a professional chef move here by Chef Mary Edwards for her recipe, which she's using ghee, which is also called clarified butter, and some olive oil, which helps to brown the scallops. You know, that beautiful golden brown color. The pan was already hot, and right away the butter and the oil are melting. And I'm adding them to the pan where I see that the ghee and the olive oil are collecting. But now that we've spun those around, we can get a few on the other side. Let's keep that oil moving around until we get some nice color on the bottom before we flip them so they won't be sticking to the pan. And now, like I said, we'll season them up. Don't be shy. A little bit of cracked pepper. Keep that oil and butter moving around. If you don't have ghee, feel free to use whole butter. It also will help them brown the scallops. Okay. So we've given it our minute or two. You can see in the pan, see that? Where there's color on the bottom. So you turn them over and there's that golden brown color, nice and slow. You see that they're coming up off the pan, right? And that's because we let them sear. And when they sear, they seal. Okay, ready for plating now. We're going to make this an appetizer. Chef Edwards says this makes a lovely appetizer or entree, main course, in her recipe. So let's put 3 dollops of the hummus in a diagonal line. Okay. And then we're going to put 3 of the scallops right in the middle. And then we'll scatter the relish. Lovely. A little extra sun-dried tomato right on top. And some extra parsley for garnish. Sprinkle, sprinkle. And there you have Chef Mary Edwards' scallops atop sun-dried tomato hummus with summer corn relish. Buon appetito. Please remember to send in your recipes before the July 1st deadline. We're looking forward to seeing your new innovative food. Please cook with sun-dried tomatoes and all of our other ingredients. bellosanlucci.com. Arrivederci, ciao. Happy summer.